just arrived here in Canggu at Villa Sari. We got back from Gili Tea today, checked straight in here. This vlog is going to be a week's itinerary in Canggu. We've got a lot planned. We've got things like Nung Nung Waterfall, Finn's Beach Club, Mount Batur, yeah, Ubud. There's lots to do. So yeah, come along. First on the itinerary is going to Nung Nung Waterfall. About an hour and 20. But first we're going to go to Crate for some breakfast slash brunch slash lunch. Yeah, Crate first, then Nung Nung Waterfall. Made it to Nung Nung. Now for the 500 steps or so down to the waterfall.
We'll be about 15 minutes down.
Always good going down. Always tiring coming up. We made it to Nung Nung. Beautiful. Yeah, spent a couple of hours down here. Today is Mount Batur day. It is currently 20 to 2 in the morning. Getting picked up for a 2-hour journey to Mount Batur. Right, I am sort of lighting myself up with my phone, but we've started the climb. Going up Mount Batur. Said 1.5 hours to 2 hours maybe, but yeah, it's not that chilly, not as chilly as expected. Let's hope for a clear sunrise.
We're at the top, gang.
We made it. We just made it to our viewpoint. It's pitch black. Our guide has gone to go make us breakfast, and now we just wait. But it's freezing already, so. And that's the sunrise all done. It is very cold up here, especially being sat for like an hour, but yeah, still sensational. Very clear day. Now I think we're going to go to the summit, the true summit of Mount Batur, and then a coffee plantation later on. So yeah, looking forward to that. Now it's time to move and get warm again. High five. Coffee beans? Yeah, no, we got to taste all sorts of different teas and coffees here. All included in a little trip, so yeah, well worth it. Now for a good hour and a half, 2 hour journey home, I think. Sleep. And then sleep, yeah. We've all just been asleep in the car on the way here, so I'm sure we'll be all napping again very shortly. Right, Motel Mexico yesterday was an absolute vibe. Great night. We all just went out, Motel Mexico, and then went to La Favela afterwards. Great time. Today is another party day. We're going to Finn's Beach Club. Good morning. We're getting to the end of our week here in the villa. Last on the itinerary is going to Ubud for a bit of a day trip. There's all the rice fields there, a couple of temples. It's only about an hour away. Alright, we have finished at the rice fields. It was a bit of a letdown, not gonna lie. Looks good from the top above, but it doesn't look great from actually being in it. It's almost like they've forgotten to keep up with the rice fields, but yeah, very overgrown. We have just finished at the Temple. Now I actually know its name. Yeah, success, I would have said. Would you, Sophie?
Yes.
Success. Now we're going to head to Ubud. Yeah, go for maybe a drink or something. Probably a snacky snack. Ciao, ciao. And just like that, our week is over here with the gang. They are all left this morning at 7 and half 8. We went out for a nice meal last night, and yeah, said our goodbyes this morning. We've had a good week here in Canggu. I think we've done the itinerary pretty much perfect, to be honest. It's great having the guys in Bali. It made the trip so good. Say we haven't seen them since last October, so yeah, next trip home is in end of November, so yeah, another 4 months or so. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.